Severe. The urgent weather message for the following counties in Ohio: Erie, Huron, and Lorain. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a tornado warning for Northeastern Huron County, Erie County, Lorain County, until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:25 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Wakeman, or 8 miles east of Norwalk, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Wakeman around 8:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Elyria, Vermilion, and Amherst around 8:35 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Lorain, North Ridgeville, and Grafton around 8:40 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Avon Lake around 8:50 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Strongsville around 8:55 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include LaGrange, South Amherst, Avon, Pittsfield, Birmingham, Eaton, Kipton, Sheffield, Oberlin, and Sheffield Lake.